This is actually right this time. So, we're gonna open up our ROM of now what we're gonna do is give me a sec. There we go. So you can use either DS Lazy or Crystal Tile. I'm just gonna use DS Lazy for this because I'm more familiar with it. What you want to do is open up this, go to Champions ROM, unpack it, normal stuff. Extract all the files and data, model, and there are 4 folders here. The one you want is battle, and if it's not already like this, you can go to view and sort by and type, and you'll see a bunch of .csv files, and these are pretty cool because you can just open them up in Google Sheets. So currently what we're going to want to do is change 90 and let's say 34. So we're going to open up both of those, and you can see that they're normal because the number up here matches the number down here. Nothing out of the ordinary. The reason we want to change these ones specifically is because if we go over to here and go to another program that we're also not necessary, but it is very handy, which is the graphics editor, and I've already extracted my Champions copy, but if you haven't, it's pretty simple. Just drag it onto this def tool, and this time go to image, and you'll see a bunch of B files with the exact same name as these, and if you go to bin and look at them, we'll see that 90 is not that. 90 is a PNG of the bottom screen for the Fossil Stadium, and 34 is a PNG for the Stone Pyramid. And that will correlate to these being the top screen. So 90 is the bottom screen for, or the top screen for the local battle, and 34 is the top screen for the Stone Pyramid. 00 is also the top screen for the Ribular Island Coliseum. It's literally the same exact thing as the local battle. I don't know why they made 2 of these, but whatever. Roll with it. So to change the top screen, what we want to do is move 90.csv out of here, copy 34, paste it, and change this first part to 90 and get rid of copy. And then we go up, 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 open up this again, NDSPack, and give it a name, blah, 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 whatever. Then we can open up MelonDS, and on both of them, we should actually, if we open up the right ROM,